go to the practical, what are the how to do practical part, and as well as we'll discuss other things.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so first of all, in your server, what IP address you are configured. Right, is not opening, it is taking too much time. Still not loaded. Yeah, now it is working. Mm, so this is my adapter. Double click or right click status, anything. Ease of access. So it is pin to start. Yeah, now it is open. Okay, so whatever it is, it will take time. So I'm going to details and I'm verifying what IP address I configured. So 170.16.254. Otherwise, go to the properties. What happening here? Okay, so IPv4. Okay. Properties. So this is my IP address 172.16.0.254. Of course, my server itself is a DNS server. So by default, it will go into this mode. So 254. Okay, so same IP address we will get it, right? So this is my DHCP. Sorry, this is my IP address. This is my IP address subnet mask, and I choose following IP address means it's a manual or a static IP address. If I select this one, a dynamic IP address, this is manual. Servers always manual IP addresses only. Okay, next click OK. What happening? Have to click OK, but it is something. Close. Close. Okay, so now I'm going to type my IP address here 172.16.0.254. Guys, tell me network ID for this network. The first one is we have to install DHCP role. So I am going to remove this one or save this one. To do anything, it is like, so now I'm going to new. Now it is working. See, if you see in a side DHCP DNS like that. Guys, I will tell steps here. Remember, this is my domain controller and this is a server. Okay, this server name is S1, this server name is S2, for example. Can I install DHCP in a separate server without domain controller? We can install DHCP server without a domain controller, not required to install in a domain controller, and better not to install in a domain controller. Always install the services in the separate server. Always install a services in a separate server. For example, I want to build a web server, so I will put a web server separately, not in the domain controller. So domain controller already having a two roles, major roles, ADDS and DNS is already there. If you want to keep separate DNS again, you can keep it, no problem. DHCP, for example, WDS, if I keep in one, okay, no problem, because both are coordinated each other. But I want another services, better to go with a separate servers always. Next, certain services, okay, certain services may require active directory environment. For a certain services, it not required active directory environment. Active directory environment is not compulsory. Okay, first understand that one. Second, we don't have more servers here, like one is domain controller, another one is for DHCP server, another one is for another server. Okay, so we cannot create a multiple servers based on our existing infrastructure. So we don't have any other choices. In my domain controller only I have to install DHCP, because I don't have any other choices. Otherwise better to install in separately. Okay, so next, So what is my server IP address? 172.16.0.254. This is my server IP address. I ask very simple question. What is my network ID? But no one is giving an answer.
IP address.
This is my IP address.
Network ID is
My network
network ID
ID
is 172.16.
172.
170.16.0.0.
Very good. This is my network ID. My total network range is from starting valid IP address is this one, and ending IP address complete end 255. Okay, 255, 254, right? 255 and 254. This is the valid broadcast. This is broadcast. Anyway, we don't use this one, and this is my network ID. For example, depends upon my network size. It depends upon number of hosts. Depends upon number of hosts in my network. So sorry, this typing is difficult. Just I have a plan to explain two times. That's why I'm writing like that. Okay. So the range. Okay, so 172, 16. So first one is already went to network ID. So I will start with the one and end 255, 254. This is the actual range. Next is the broadcast ID, the final one. 172, 16, 255.255. This is broadcast. So this is the host range. This is the host range, right? For example, in my network, in my LAN network, in my LAN, I have a 100 PCs are there. Okay, 100 devices or PCs are there. Number of hosts in a network currently 100 hosts are there. It means how many IP addresses are required? Number of hosts are 10. Sorry, 100. How many IP addresses are required?
100 only, sir.
100 only. Plus or minus one or two, no problem. But we need 100 IP addresses guarantee. So right. So my range is almost 65,000. So I will take one range and I will configure like that. So for my DHCP range, for my DHCP range, I'll configure like this, like a 172, 16. Maybe I will start with 100, 0. Maybe you can start with a 10 also, no problem. Okay. I'm starting with 100 for your lab. So previously I used 10, 20 like that. 100 means 200. It means almost 101 IP addresses you will get it. Okay. I took an average, like you can start with 101 or otherwise you can start with 100 also. So this is my range 100 pieces. If in case if I have 150, I need a 150, like 250, 100 to 250 is around 151 IP addresses you will get it, right? So like that I have 100 pieces, then I created like this. Okay. Next, for example, just for example, s- there is a printer or maybe there is a servers. I have a 2 3 servers in my network. So those servers is dedicated server. For example, um, that server I don't want to, sorry, server means static IP already taken. or maybe I will use some IP address specifically, like some are fans are there. For example, my boss want IP address is like this. Okay, like this. This is within the range, right? 100 to 200, but this IP is also there. But I don't want to give this IP to anyone. I don't want to give this IP address to anyone. Okay, or maybe I don't want to give some IP addresses. Okay, so in a childhood days, you have some sentiments, right? Like first five addresses, I don't want to give anyone. Example 100 to 105, I don't want to give anyone. Maybe I want to reserve some IP address like 172.16.0.1.1.1. I don't want to give these IP addresses to anyone. Like how to plan. Okay, so this is called a exception. So this I don't want to give. So give IP address from 100 to 200 to 100 to 200. Give these IP addresses to the client. Starting with 100, 101, 102, 103, 104 until 200. Give the IP address to devices. That is a meaning. That is a meaning. Start with 100. One by one PC. There send a discovery request and all. So give 100, 101, 102, 103 like that 100 PCs. But I what I written, except these IP addresses, give all the other IP addresses. So 100 to 105 exception. It means next one is 106, 107, 108 like that keep going. 110, 111. 111 automatically exception. No, don't give 111 to anyone. 112, 113, 114, 115 like that keep giving. 223 don't give anyone. 224 start giving from 224 again. So like that, this is the exceptions. Different type of exception. It is completely your way to give. So exceptions. Okay, so depends upon your organization, servers, printers like that. You want to reserve some IP address for certain purposes, or to avoid the conflicts between static and dynamic. So you can create a exceptions. So this is the first part. Second part of DSCP configuration, of course, lease duration. I will explain the lease duration, but my lease duration is 8 minutes. Okay, so still we have a lot of time to do that one. So one by one. First of all, we have to install a DHCP role. Go to server manager, manage, which option? Add roles and features. Add roles and features. So next. Okay. Now what to select? DSCP. Select the checkbox. It will show add features window. Click on add features. That's it. Then next install only. So no need to do anything. Simple. Or if you want, you can make a check mark. Otherwise, no problem, because when you're installing a role, usually for a DSCP, ENS kind of stuff, won't require restart, except for a Hyper-V. Mostly don't require restart. For removing, compulsory restart is required. Yeah, tell me. Okay. Okay, let it install. It will take time again. Another 5 minutes. It will take. Okay, so what we discussed about a our IP address. Based on that only, in your network range only you have to give. Yeah, nothing else, right? Just only DHCP you have to install. Don't install anything. And remember always when you are doing a server practical, guys, you have to install one by one only. Means you install a role, you configure a role, and do complete this one, and then only go for another role. You need to remove the previous roles, but one by one role only you have to do it. Some people are there, even I seen that people. Okay, so I don't know what to tell them. Okay, it is not happen in our labs in a 70s. This is not happen, but previously I am working in a very different organizations. Okay, so what the people will do, they option for 2 days. They ask someone like what topics are completed, so they what they will do, they want to do practical from starting. They select ADDS, DNS, DSCP, web server, okay, WDS server, WS, like 5 6 servers they selected and click on install, and it is very 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 slow. They said, sir, it is not working, this is a dabba system and this is voice system, like this. People are like that. We can't scold them because they are paying fees. Not only fees at all, like I don't like, usually I scold people earlier, not I'm not scolding anyone in the 70s, but earlier I scold the people only. There are people try to learn. Some people are there, some those people are try to learn. They try hard and they dedicated to learn, so they, sir, I want this to learn, like they keep learning, they do practicing. I scold them because it's like an encouragement. Do like this more practice, and all people are, some people are reckless people. We will come and we pay fee, give me a job. That is only attitude by some people. I usually ignore those people. Like, people will think always I paid a fees, and you have to teach me whether I learn or not. You should be perfect. Why I should be perfect? I'm already having a knowledge, perfect knowledge is there. You have to learn. That's participation is required, right? So for those people, I usually ignore those people. Some people always try to learn something. I give more encouragement for them. More means more scolding means more encouragement. So they hard work will be done. So definitely they are doing good, of course. So we don't talk again after classes, but normally we know that people are there. So some people always try to find a reason to a failure. Why you failure? Or if you give suggestion to them, also again there is a reason why you fail. Reason why you are not doing like this, better to do like this, there is a reason. Okay, so the people always reasoning people always tell a reason. And second one is always giving a complaint, life complaints. Complaint peoples, life complaints, power complaints, government complaints, development complaints, previous government complaints, current government complaints. Always something because of what they are not done, so that is because of the previous thing. So always complaining people, these two people, just usually don't worry about them. So, yeah, where am I? This is completed or not, only that is important. Yeah, it is going on. Okay, it is a little bit slow for today. Okay, so we'll see. Just I need an IP address to the client, so I don't go to other things. Yeah, lease duration. What is this lease duration? So first of all, understand, when you check an IP address. So I'm going to show you my PC IP address. Okay, so this is my Wi-Fi. Okay, so I open magnifier, but it is still open. It's open. Okay, so details, and what is this? IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, DHCP, DNS. What is this one? Can anybody read?
Obtain and lease expires.
Very good. When it is obtained? 5th July.
2021.
Okay. It is 8th July. Mid tomorrow.
Yes.
Right? And this is the time morning. Today morning or 5th July morning actually. Morning. This is the time I got the IP address and this is the expiry. By this time it will expires. Okay. Lease uptime means when you got an IP address, that is a lease uptime. When you is going to be expire, it is called a lease expire. That's two statements, right? Two statements are given, but we understand actually in a different way, because after the time expire, when it is expire, your system no longer get an IP address or something we thinking. It is not like that. It's very simple. DHCP is actually very beautiful concept. Okay, so if you got any chance to any interview like a system admin kind of stuff, DHCP more scoring part. If you got a questions on DHCP, it's a more question, more clarity we can tell an answer. Okay, so for a, this is a server, and I have a lot of clients are there. So each client I'm assigning an IP address. So for example, client one, I'm giving an IP address, for example 11, and I give an IP address to 12 for client 2, 1.1.3, 1.13 for a C3. Okay, so 1.14 for a C4, like that. So I assign IP address to the clients, and these are my IP address. So what is this server will do? It create a list. It create a list. In that list, it mention what is the client and what IP address I given. Simple, understand. Just like there is a 10 people are there. You given a token, for example, like this is the person token number, this is order, or maybe this is a person and this is belongs to this flat. Like you are a sitting arrangement. Think like a sitting arrangement. Okay, sit, thinking like a sitting arrangement. For example, Tushar, seat number 1, Jagan, seat number 2, Pallavi, seat number 3, Urvi, seat number 4, or uh, Rahul, seat number 5. So person and a seat, like that. So when you are assigning a IP address to a client, the server note down that list. Computer 1, this particular computer, and this is an IP address. This is the computer, this is an IP address. Computer name or a MAC address. Computer name or a MAC address. Particular MAC address. Oh, meeting time. Particular MAC address and particular IP address. Which IP address is assigned? It stores in the server only. Still going on. When it will be going to install? Complete. Huh? One day, not wasted, but still not completed also. Okay, I will, at least I will complete this part tomorrow. Both DHCP, DNS, you install it successful. So we can't do anything now. So check it, guys. If you are completed installation of DHCP, go through my previous last batch video is there, batch 3. videos are there. So check it how I configure DHCP configuration. So try to understand based on your IP address and there I what I use. You can try, you can complete it very easy, practical only. Only verify at a client side. That's it. Configure at server side, verify at a client side. Okay. This lease duration I will tell, and the people are in a meeting, right? So then compulsory, uh, the weekly meetings are important. We'll see. Um, what I said, server note down, client and IP address. C1 this IP address, C2 this IP address, C3 this IP address. It note down. Then what happens here? Why it is noting down? Because allocation. Because of allocation. Think like this: I have a, 100 pieces, 100 IP addresses are there, and I have a 100 devices also there. 100 IP addresses, 100 devices. Will take very less. I will take 10 only for understanding. 10 IPs are there, 10 PCs are there. Okay, 10 10. We'll take 10 10. Okay, so as per this, 10 PCs, C1, C2, C3, like that it go on, and IP addresses also it is not down like this, right? So not down, completed. Understand, guys? This part, list part. Hello, list part. Understand? This. Okay. As per my list, what happened? I removed two pieces from here. I removed two pieces, or maybe four pieces from here. I removed four pieces from here. So how many pieces are left? No one is responding, guys. We don't have a time. Don't. I have only hardly 10 minutes to explanation. Whether you are listening or maybe
Please,
my voice is not reaching, I don't know, because I can't continue the practical part also. This is like a dead slow. I have to repair today this one completely. Ask a question. Do you understand this part or not? List, like when server assign IP address to client, the client, when you are assign IP address to the client, server note down the list: PC name or a MAC address and a IP address. That list. Okay. Next, I have a 10 IP addresses. So total IP address are 10 IP address, and actually I took a 100 is better figure, but for our understanding I put a small one. Okay, for 10 pieces we don't require a DHCP also. 10 pieces are there, 10 IP addresses are assigned, and it made a list like a C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, like that. It made a list. Now 10 pieces are disconnected, means they're removed. Okay, sorry, four pieces are disconnected. Four pieces are disconnected. So now how many pieces are there?
this is
Six
six.
pieces. Okay. So four are removed. So now I have only six pieces. But how many IP addresses I given as per my list? As per my list, this list.
10.
10, right? Very good. So 10. as per my server list 10 are allocated, but in a really if you check in the thing, there is a 4 are missing, 6 pieces only there. So what happened, I have a earlier 10, now 6, added a 2 pieces, 2 new pieces, 2 new pieces are added, complete fresh pieces, 2 pieces are added. So how many pieces now? 8 pieces are there, right? Less than 10, right? 2 pieces only, new pieces are added. The 2 new pieces try to get a IP from DHCP. It ask DHCP, I want an IP address. As per the DHCP list, all IP addresses are allocated. All IP addresses are already given. They said, sir, we there is a no we don't have any free IP addresses. All 10 IP addresses are allocated, so we can't give you any IP address. So client, then the 2 PCs won't get an IP address. Got the point? Just simple houseful board. Okay, movie theater, houseful board, but no one is there inside. Understand the concept? As per the ticket list, all tickets are sold out, but no one is came to the movie theater. Okay, or maybe some people not there, at least 5 6 rows people are went outside. Okay, they didn't came, but as per the tickets all are sold. As per the seat availability, there is empty seats are there. So that's the point here. So as per the list, all IP addresses are given, but as per the PC or devices, still there is a lesser than PCs are there. So, but server cannot give IP address to the clients. To avoid these kind of situations, what server is doing? Server doing same thing only, but little bit different way. What it is? What it is? The client having like a each one they note down uh, client and IP addresses. You note down client and IP addresses, of course, but it giving a some time. For example, I'm giving a 4 hours duration. For example, just for an example, I take 4 hours duration. Morning 9 o'clock, morning 9 o'clock, C1 PC is on, and morning 9 o'clock, I given IP address to C1 PC. I given IP address to C1 PC. As per the 4 hours duration, 9 to 4 hours means 10, 11, 12, 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock. So 12 means 3, yeah, 1 o'clock. By 1 o'clock, lease will be expire. Lease will be expire. So what is this lease duration will do it? 4 hours lease duration is there. So how this mechanism will work? At 50% of total lease duration. 50% of total lease duration. What is the 50% of total lease duration? According to 4 hours, 2
2 hours.
hours, right? 2 hours means 9 o'clock you got an IP address. At 2 after 2 hours means 10, 11 o'clock. So at 11 o'clock what happened? The client send a request to server, my 50% of lease duration is completed, please renew me. Renew, anybody knows bus renewal? Like when you are in a student, okay, you have to take a bus pass renewal before expiry, right? Like same thing, at 50% of total lease duration, client send a renew request for a server. What is DORA? Discover, offer, request,
Offer, request,
acknowledgement,
Acknowledgement.
right?
acknowledgement.
But
Yes,
in
sir.
this scenario, you don't require in the renew process, you already know who is server. So you don't require a discovery. And you got already IP address, no offers. Only thing is you have to send request and acknowledgement only. Client send a request for renew processes only request and acknowledgement. You send a request, server will give you acknowledgement. Again, you will get a 4 hours. Again, you will get a 4 hour. What is this? 4 hours lease duration. Okay. So what is the again 4, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 at 3 o'clock. Again, you will get the expiry will be changes. So every 2 hours you are renewing, and again you are getting 4 hours lease duration. So it will keep maintaining like that only. Make sure like a lease duration. So what is the advantage of it? We'll see that. I said 50% of total lease duration renew process will start, right? Renew process will start. If in case client is removed or client is disconnected, so client cannot send a request, right? Client is removed.
Right.
Okay, for example, 11 o'clock to 15, it is 1 o'clock. At 1 o'clock, again 50% lease duration. But 12:30 only I disconnected. At 12:30 only, I disconnected my client. At 12:45, I disconnect my client. So, client not doing renew process. 50% times up, but client not doing um this renew process. Renew process is not started from the client side. So what server will do? Server waits. Server waits. Server won't do anything. It's keeping the list. Server wait till the expiry. Next time is 87.5% of lease duration. 87.5% of total lease duration. It is around 87 means almost 90%, right? It is around maybe uh, take think like it is 230. 230 by 230 again renew process should be start. Again renew process should be start. Client not done renew process at 87.5% of total lease duration. It not done that one. So okay, so 50% client unable to renew it. 87.5% of total lease duration, again client unable to renew it. So server wait till the expiry, and expiry time is up. Expiry time's up. So what it will do? It remove from the list. It remove automatically from the list. So then this 1.11 become free. It not in the list. It is availability list. Earlier it is binded to C1. Okay, as per my list, it is belongs to C1. Now C1 unable to renew. C1 unable to renew its IP address, lease
Oh,
duration,
oh,
unable to renew lease. What happened?
sir.
Time's up. Yeah. Huh. Tell me.
Sir,
Tell me.
I lost my audio, sir. After 50%. Can you please repeat it once again, sir?
Okay. Okay. Good.
Yeah.
Last part only, right? So again, I will write here. I think you got the point, so that's why I removed. 4 hours total lease duration at 50%. Renew process should be start, right?
Boom. Yes,
total
sir.
duration. If in case client fail means it disconnected or shut down, something is happened. So client unable to renew at 50% of total use duration. Next one
Yes, sir.
is 87.5%. Next one is 87.5% of total lease duration. Got
Yes,
it?
sir.
Again,
Yes, sir.
client has to send renew.
Request to this.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
renew process start should be request and acknowledgement should be started
Yes, sir.
87.5% of total lease duration. Total duration.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is the thing. Again, client also failed. Time's up.
Yes, sir.
4
Again.
hours
Yes, sir.
completed. Now in the server, so whatever the IP address as per my list, as per C1 is belongs to 1.111. Okay, 1.11
Yes,
is
sir.
given to C1 as per my server list. Now time is up. What server will do? Server remove server remove entry from server list. Server said C1 is belongs to 11 is no longer available. It is they will remove that entry.
Yes,
Got
sir.
it? Now
Yes, sir.
this IP address no longer belongs to C1. It is become free. It's become free. It is
Yes,
not
sir.
belongs to anyone.
Free. Yeah.
Now what happened? Any new
Yes, sir.
PC came up. For example, some PC is added. What server will do? It can give it to anyone, either
Yes,
to
sir.
C1 or maybe another one or maybe another one. Anything. So once
Yes, sir.
IP address become free, we can assign to anyone. So like we are going to our first scenario, 10 IP, 10 PCs scenario, and what I said, six PCs are removed, four PCs are removed, right? I removed four PCs, six only computers are there. But as per my list, 10 IP addresses are given. But because of
Yes,
this lease duration, what it will do, it waits for a particular time period, like a 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 day, 2 day, 8 days. Default lease duration 8 days for a wired network, 6 days for wireless network. Default lease duration by default. Okay, but normally I'm telling, for example, you are giving 4 hours or 8 hours. If you are giving 8 hours, for example, it will wait till the time completed. Once time's up, it will relieve that four IP addresses. Four IP addresses become free. Now I added a two PCs. For these two PCs, IP address are available, so I can able to give IP address to them. So if you
yes,
if you don't use lease duration, what happen? Once you're given, you cannot alter. Like
it
simple
tell us
example.
that
Yeah.
it cannot be used for under users, right, sir?
It said it is already used, but so automatically we cannot use it for anything.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is about lease duration. So it's already 5:30. Guys, study about DHCP. I'm telling DHCP what I done, and PPT is also there. Just look at the PPT. That is enough. DORA process. Understand DORA process. Advantage of DHCP, and read about group policies, and all definitions I given belongs to server related one. Just study today. Okay, this is a lease duration. One more is there, reservation is there. Tomorrow definitely I will show the practical. If in case tomorrow is also it is not working, then I will jump to another practical. It's not about DHCP, it is about my server only. Server client both are, see it is still stuck here only. I will leave it for these things
Sir,
for, yeah, tell me.
please stop it and sir, do it again because I have installed it then only, sir. it was installed within 5 minutes.
Yeah, we can stop this
I
one,
think it's stuck.
but sometimes you will
Yeah,
give problems also. If you cancel while it is
maybe.
installing and you do it again, it
Hmm.
may give you a problems. But you can try, no problem. I can try, no problem. But people are waiting in my meeting. It is giving like
Sure,
this.
sure.
Okay,
Okay,
already 6 minutes
okay,
over. Mithun sir is waiting, I think so. Review meeting,
okay,
something.
fine.
Okay, guys, this is
Hmm.
it. That to you today completely unable to show afternoon practical also. But this is a very important theory part also. Okay, bye bye, guys. So I'm going to stop this recording and all. Um,
This
Later I will show
conference
you.
is no longer being recorded.